In this amazing genius video, you will learn how to add algebraic expressions and find the total time taken by these awesome athletes to complete the Olympic triathlon. Now, this traditional race has three parts. सबसे पहले शुरू होता है with a 1.5 kilometer swim, which is followed by a 40-kilometer bike race, and last में finally there is a 10-kilometer run. But the time taken by each athlete to complete this race depends upon their speed.
They're coming to the finishing line. Pereira is going to be on the podium. It is going to be Mola across the line with the victory. There comes Murray.
Now, the time taken by one of the athletes to complete the swimming round was 2xy square plus 4 seconds. He completed the 40-kilometer stretch of bike race in 22x square y plus 10xy square minus 9 seconds. एंड फाइनली जो लास्ट में रनिंग राउंड था वो उसने कंप्लीट किया इन 4x square y minus 2xy square seconds. तो नाउ टू फाइंड द टोटल टाइम टेकन बाय द एथलीट टू कंप्लीट दिस रेस हमें क्या करना होगा? वी नीड टू ऐड द टाइम टेकन बाय हिम टू कंप्लीट ईच इंडिविजुअल सेक्शन ऑफ द रेस. Now, before we start adding algebraic expressions, we need to understand what are like terms and what are unlike terms. है ना? Like terms are the terms that have the same algebraic factors, whereas unlike terms कौन से होते? They are the terms that do not have the same algebraic factors. ऐसा करते एक example देखते हैं. 15xy minus 6xz plus 9xy plus 8. Now, in this expression, the factors of the first term are 15, x and y. और जो factors of the second term है वो क्या है? minus 6, x and z. अब आप मुझे बताओ, are the algebraic factors of these two terms the same? No, they are different. Therefore, 15xy and minus 6xz are unlike terms. ऐसा करते हैं, let's see the next term. The factors of 9xy are 9x and y. Now, are the algebraic factors of the first term and the third term the same? Yes, they are the same. Therefore, they are like terms. To add the like terms, हम क्या करेंगे? We will add their coefficients. इस केस में है 15 and 9. हमको मिलेगा उससे 24. So, 15xy plus 9xy is equal to 24xy. Now, we cannot add unlike terms the way we add like terms, है ना? Therefore, we will put minus 6xz as it is over here. Now, finally, observe the last term. It is plus 8. ये भी एक unlike term है ना? So, we will write it down over here. तो हमारा final answer is 24xy minus 6xz plus 8. अब ऐसा करते हैं, लेट अस गो बैक टू आवर ओरिजिनल एग्जाम्पल. What is the total time taken by the athlete to complete the triathlon race? First, let's add the time taken by him to complete the swimming section and the biking section. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं 2xy square plus 4, है ना? यहाँ पे लिख दिया हमने. ओके, नाउ 22x square y and 2xy square are like terms. यहाँ unlike terms बताओ. They are unlike terms. तो हम we will write it 22x square y over here. Then 10xy square and 2xy square तो are obviously like terms है ना? तो उसको we will write 10xy square below 2xy square. And finally minus 9 and plus 4 are like terms. So where will we write minus 9? Over here. Now let's quickly add the two expressions. The answer is 22x square y plus 12xy square minus 5. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will add the previous sum. 22x square y plus 12xy square minus 5 to 4x square y minus 2xy square. तो 22x square y and 4x square y हो गए like terms. तो we will write it over here, 4x square y here. ठीक है? And 12xy square and minus 2xy square are again like terms. तो we will write minus 2xy square over here. अब ऐसा करते हैं, फटाफट से इनको ऐड कर लेते हैं। 22 + 4 हो गया कितना 26, 26 x स्क्वायर y एंड 12 - 2 हो गया जी कितना 10, 10 xy स्क्वायर एंड -5। तो हमारा आंसर क्या है? हमारा आंसर है 26 x स्क्वायर y + 10 xy स्क्वायर -5। सो नाउ यू नो हाउ टू ऐड एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस। तो भाई नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर आपका कोई फेवरेट एथलीट हो ना इन अ रेस, तो just find the total time he will take to win the race by simply adding algebraic expressions. जीनियस से पढ़ो जीनियस बनो, जीनियस से पढ़ो जीनियस बनो।